Hi everyone, this is Abby from the Brant County Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to search and browse our digital collections. Our digital collections house thousands of documents, photographs, letters that relate to Brant County local history. So one way you can search the collection is by the main search bar here. When you use the main search bar, that's going to search the entire collection. So one thing to keep in mind is when you're using multiple names or multiple words, it's going to search them separately unless you put quotations. So I'll show you that. So as you can see, it searched these two names separately. So first and last name were separate, but I'll show you how to keep them together. So that's by using quotations around the name, and then it will search the name as a whole. So from here you have a few different options. You can go through the list here and just browse. You can also filter out your results right here. So you can filter out by year, what item it is, what group it's in. So if you know that it is a part of the Paris Museum and Historical Society group, contributors, and so on and so forth. You can also search within the results you get. So if you're looking for an address or another person in these results, you can do that right here. So if you're looking to do a more specific search and not search the entire collection, you can do advanced search. So if you go back to the main page just by clicking this here, you can go to advanced search, and then you can search from here. So you can do your keywords, but then you can also search by years. You can search by media types, group. It's kind of same thing as the filters, but just right from the start. So in our what's new, it's new items that have been recently uploaded. If we go back, our collections are specific items within a collection, such as Brant Museum and Archives collection. And if you go into photo essays, it'll give you all of our virtual exhibits. All of our virtual exhibits link back to our collection. So if you go into any of the exhibits and you click details on the photographs provided or the images, it'll link you back to the collection and give you more information on that specific image. So I hope this is helpful for your searches and browsing. If you need any more help, we do have a document with more tips and tricks on how to search our collection.